Hi everyone, it's David with another job. Okay, our client requested to remove all garden bed and lie down the new turf. We cut all garden sleeper, garden edge, remove all the soil out. We borrow 4 cube skip bin for this job, and we put all in the skip bin and just labeling the under the lying down the turf, the ground, make a label nice and remove any extra soil or any sand or anything, clear nicely, and going under the old grass and lying down new turf is around 20 square meter. Just lying down nicely is Sir Walter Buffalo lawn, clean and nice and tidy. Remove every garden bed, clean under, and lie down the new turf. This is the before job. Remove all the garden sleeper, garden edge, soil, everything out, and after job is here, nice and tidy and clean. We added new lawn around 20 square meter. Just give the nice fodder. Okay, everything done. Happy client. Bye now.